Origin of Ramadan. What is Ramadan? Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar. It is considered the holiest month in Islam because it is believed to be the month when the Qur'an was first revealed. How did Ramadan begin? The origin of Ramadan goes back to the 7th century in Mecca, now in Saudi Arabia. In 610 CE, the Prophet Muhammad was meditating in the Cave of Hira. During the month of Ramadan, he received the first revelation of the Qur'an through the angel Gabriel. This night is known as Laylat al-Qadr, the night of power. A few years later, in 624 CE, fasting during Ramadan became an obligatory act for Muslims, as instructed in the Qur'an. Why do Muslims fast? Fasting, called Psalm, is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Muslims fast from dawn to sunset, which means no food, no drink, no smoking, no negative behavior, like lying or fighting. The purpose of fasting is to grow spiritually, to practice self-discipline, to increase empathy for those in need, to become closer to God, Allah. How is Ramadan observed today? Around the world, Muslims wake up early for suhoor, pre-dawn meal. Break their fast at sunset with iftar. Pray extra night prayers called Taraweeh, give charity, zakat and sadaqah. At the end of Ramadan, Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr, a joyful holiday marking the end of fasting.